smoker. Let's see what she's going to look like. Parts put together. One leg should be 3. Let me look inside the. Let me open it and look inside. Maybe the rest are inside. Open it. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, so she's all assembled. I've already pre-burned all of the preservative off of it. Now I'm just going to let it cool down and throw some ribs and chicken on there later on. Okay, that's what I got. Does anybody else have one of these grills right here? The Smoke Hollow grill smoker. It has a little smoking tray right here, or you can take this out, put smoking chips in there. And then if you open it, you can either use it as a regular barbecue or a smoker. Now, for Christmas, I want to smoke this baby right here. And so, yeah, I got it, and it's been sitting in the freezer. And I'm just preparing the smoker to do what I need to do. Now, because of its height, you can see it sits up quite high. And this isn't that deep. It's deep, but not that deep. I had to remove the warming tray that sits up in here like so. I had to remove that so I could fit this guy in here. And actually I think I could leave it right on top of the grates, because basically I just want that drip pan to keep the bottom of this grill clean. And I'm sure it'll get dirty up on top, but that's okay, as long as I don't get all the grease and stuff dripping off the bottom. And as you can see right here, with it inside, there it is. Seems to be fitting just fine. Plenty of room. I think I could smoke it. It took me a while to come up with this conclusion. I tried it without the grates in there. And without the grates, it sat right on top of the burners. I thought it might get that baking sheet too hot. So I put those back in there. The grates I put back in there. And it actually lifts it up a little bit high. But I don't know. Tell me what you think. Do you think I should put it right on top of the burners? Because those burners have diffusers on them, or deflectors, whatever you want to call them. You can see right there. And they would sit in between the two main burners, which I'd probably only have one on anyway, and I could put it all the way off to the one side. With the one on, I could slide it all the way over here. Leave this burner on and the smoke on. Of course, still closes. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Give me your idea. Or if you've ever smoked a prime rib on yours, tell me how you did it. And kept the smoker clean as possible. Because where it goes in this little storage hole right here, right now. And until I finish installing my solar, which is going to go on that back wall. Yeah, and so I don't want to get that area filled with food grease and stuff. And so tell me how you manage to keep everything clean and not too much cleaning after cooking. Okay, so that's my setup. For 4 people, I think that slice of prime rib was plenty. So, and it's just my wife and I, but if I have family or friends over, I think that'll work. So anyways, let me know what you did and how you got yours set up. Maybe I'll come up with a better solution. Y'all take care now. Safe travels.